Now I am going to discuss the concept of statement sums involving age. That means we are trying to solve the statements in which ages are involved. The general logic behind this type of questions is whatever is to be found is assumed as x. Then if the age is given as some years ago, then that value is minus, and if it is given after some years, then that value will be plus. Suppose it has been given that Reena is Reena is x years old. Then 5 years ago, Reena's age was x minus 5, because we are considering the age some years before, that means ago. 5 years ago Reena's age was x minus 5. Had the question been after 5 years or 5 years hence, Reena's age will be x plus 5. So whenever we are given a question in which the age of different people are involved, we will assume the present ages. What is to be found is we will assume it as x. Then according to the question, if we are given the relation in the terms of years ago, then we will subtract that number, and if we are given an expression after some years or some years hence, then we will add that figure in the value of x so that the question can be solved. Then we will try to make an equation, and then we will try to simplify the expression. Now let us discuss an example. Suppose we are given a question in which Reena is 4 years older than Rohan. 5 years ago Reena was 5 times Rohan's age. Find their present ages. That means we want to find the age of Reena and Rohan. As we are given that Reena is 4 years older than Rohan, so we can assume the value of age of Rohan. Let us suppose let the age of Rohan equal to x years. Then age of Reena is equal to x plus 4 years. Because it is given that Reena is 4 years older than Rohan, so if the age of Rohan is x years, Reena will be x plus 4 years. Then it is given that 5 years ago. Now to find the age of Rohan 5 years ago, age of Rohan 5 years ago is equal to x minus 5. Age of Reena 5 years ago is equal to x plus 4 minus 5. So it will become x minus 1. Now the relation is Reena's age 5 years ago is equal to 5 years ago Reena's age was 5 times Rohan's age. So Reena's age 5 years ago is equal to 5 times Rohan's age 5 years ago. So, or we can say x minus 1, because age of Reena 5 years ago is x minus 1 and age of Rohan 5 years ago is x minus 5. 5 into x minus 5. So this is how an equation can be found, because we are given that Reena is 4 years older than Rohan. So we will take assume the age of Rohan as x. Then Reena will become x plus 4, because Reena is 4 years older than Rohan. So we will add 4 years to Rohan's age, and it will become x plus 4. Now in the second statement it is given 5 years ago. That means there is a relation in which we are discussing the ages 5 years ago. So we will minus 5 in both the ages. So age of Rohan 5 years ago was x minus 5 and age of Reena 5 years ago was x plus 4 minus 5 on x minus 1. So, and according to the relation it is given that 5 years ago Reena was 5 times Rohan's age. So Reena's age 5 years ago is equal to 5 times Rohan's age 5 years ago. So substituting the value of both Reena and Rohan's age 5 years ago, we will find an equation x minus 1 is equal to 5 into x minus 5. On simplifying, we will get x minus 1 is equal to 5x minus 25, or I can say x minus 5x is equal to minus 25 and plus 1, where we have brought the unknown values on the left hand side and the knowns on the right hand side. It will be equal to minus 4x is equal to minus 24, x will be equal to 6. So Rohan's present age is equal to 6 years, and Reena's present age is equal to x plus 4, that means 6 plus 4 or 10 years. So this is how we can find the age of, we can solve such type of questions. Let us discuss it again. Suppose we are given that question, Reena is 4 years older than Rohan. 5 years ago, Reena was 5 times Rohan's age. Find their present age. So what I will do, first I will assume the age of Rohan to be x. Then as Reena is given as 4 years older than Rohan, it will be x plus 4. Now 4 years, now we have to find the age 5 years ago. So as the age is 5 years ago, so I will subtract minus 5. I will subtract 5 from both the ages, x minus 5 and x plus 4 minus 5 will be x minus 1. According to question, it is given that Reena's age 5 years ago is 5 times Rohan's age 5 years ago. On simplifying the expression, I get x is equal to be 6. So the Rohan's age was x years, so Rohan's age is 6 years, and Reena's present age will be x plus 4, that is 10 years. Now let us take another example. Suppose I have been given a question to solve that after 12 years I shall be 3 times as old as I was 4 years ago. That means the relation is between my age that was 4 years ago with the age that will be 12 years after the present age. So according to this situation, I am supposed to find my present age. So I will assume my present age to be x. Let my present age equal to x years. Now my age 4 years ago was equal to x minus 4. As I am discussing the age 4 years ago, so it is, I am subtracting 4 from my age, that is x minus 4. My age after 12 years will be x plus 12. Because I am calculating age after 12 years, so I am adding 12 to x. Now according to question, it is given that after 12 years I shall be 3 times age after 12 years is equal to 3 times age 4 years ago. Now in this type of situation, the equation becomes age after 12 years is equal to 3 times age 4 years ago. Age, and substituting these values, that means the age after 12 years and the age 4 years ago, I get x plus 12 is equal to 3 times x minus 4. So I will further simplifying, x plus 12 is equal to 3x minus 12. So we can say x minus 3x is equal to minus 12 minus 2x is equal to minus 24, or we can say x is equal to 12. So my present age is 12 years. To verify the relation, let us put the value. If my present age is x, 4 years ago the age was 12 minus 4, that is 8, and 12 years after it will be 12 plus 12, that is 24, and the relation has been justified because 24 is equal to 3 times 8. So we can say this is how we can verify the answer, whether the answer we have found is right or wrong. We will substitute the values and check the relationship that was given in the question. If this relationship holds true, so we can say that the calculation has been done right, or that I have calculated x, the age as the age that I have calculated is the correct age. Now let us discuss another question. Suppose it is given that 1 year ago Ramesh was 8 times as old as his son. Now his age is equal to the square of his son's age. Find the present age of Ramesh and his son. In this type of question, we are trying to let us assume son's age 1 year ago to be x. So Ramesh age 1 year ago was 8x. Because we are given 1 year ago Ramesh was 8 times as old as his son. Now his age is equal to the square of his son's age. Then Ramesh's present age is equal to 8x plus 1. Son's present age is equal to x plus 1. Now the relation is as old as now his age is equal to the square of his son's age. So Ramesh present age is equal to square of his son's present age and square of that. So Ramesh present age is, as we have seen that Ramesh present age is 8x plus 1 and his son's age is x plus 1, so x plus 1 whole square. So on further simplifying we will get 8x plus 1 is equal to, I will apply the identity a plus b whole square, I will get x square plus 2x plus 1. On simplifying I will get x square minus 2x minus 1 plus 8x plus 1, this is equal to 0. Now it is minus x square, then the like terms are, this is minus 2x, this is plus 8x, it will come out to be 6x, then minus 1 plus 1 will cancel out, it will be 0, it is equal to 0, or we can say further simplifying x square minus 6 is x is equal to 0, x is equal to x minus 6, so we can say either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 6. Because the age cannot be 0, so we will cancel out this answer, so the x will be equal to 8. So this was x will be equal to 6, so we can say the son's age 1 year ago was 6, so son's present age is equal to 6 plus 1, that is 7, and Ramesh's present age is equal to, Ramesh's present age is equal to 8x plus 1, that means 8 into 6 plus 1, 8 6 are 48 plus 1, that is 49. And if we are analyzing the relation also holds, because 7 square is equal to 49, so we can say the answer is right. So let us discuss it again. Suppose we are given a question, the age 1 year ago Ramesh was 8 times as old as his son. Now his age is equal to the square of his son's age. Find the present age of Ramesh and son. अब हमें दिया गया है कि रमेश के 1 साल पहले रमेश अपने बेटे से 8 टाइम्स बड़ा था, और अब उसकी जो प्रेजेंट एज है उसके सन से का स्क्वायर, सन की एज से स्क्वायर है, तो उस सिचुएशन में हम पहले उसकी लेट अस अस्यूम सन्स एज भी 1 ईयर अगो वाज x, तो फिर रमेश की एज 1 ईयर पहले कितनी थी 8x, बिकॉज इट वाज 8 टाइम्स द सन्स एज. नाउ द रमेश प्रेजेंट एज इज, वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड 1, so it will become 8x plus 1 and son's present age will be x plus 1. According to relation, Ramesh's present age is equal to son's present age square. So and substituting the values, I will get this expression. Then I will try to simplify, or I can say 8x plus 1 is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. On further simplifying, I get either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 6. Because x is the age of a person, so it cannot be 0. So we can say that x is equal to 6. Hence the son's age 1 year ago was 6. So now the son's present age is 7 and his Ramesh present age is 8x plus 1, that is 49. And if we apply the relationship of their present age, the answer is also justified because 49 is the square of 7. So we can say this son's present age is 7 years and Ramesh's present age is 49. So this is how we can, sometimes there are situations when the problems involving age result into a quadratic which can be further simplified, and either both the values can be used if they are suitable, otherwise one of the value can be rejected depending on the situation the question is given. As here I have rejected x is equal to 0 because we are given the age and age cannot be 0, so we can say that the age of the son can be only 6 years.